Welcome everyone to Young at Heart. Nursery rhymes, children's poems, stories, songs to keep us young at heart. I'm Father James DeLucio with the Paulist Fathers, once again in the library of the Paulist Fathers Rectory. This session is number 39, and I'm going to sing a song for you, a request from a family friend named Alice who said, please sing a song. So I'm very happy to sing a song for you. This one was inspired from our episode, a session a few nights ago, when we read an excerpt from Mary Poppins Comes Back. And a starling and his fledgling visit a little baby named Annabelle. And she's only a newborn, and the writer, P.L. Travers, gave us a fascinating sense of the spirituality, if you will, of a newborn who's so in touch from the source of life from which she came. She's in tune with the cosmos. From the great Big Bang and let there be light and the explosion of stars, she knows that she's part of the stars, that we all are. The components of stars are the basic component of all the material world. And she also knows that she's in harmony with the sun and the moon and the earth and the trees and the animals. And it is hypothesized in the story that those first weeks of our life after our birth, that we so commune with nature we can talk to the animals, to the birds of the air and the beasts of the field. It also laments that we lose that awe and wonder and that intimate connection with creation as we get older, but we can keep trying to imagine what it could have been like, what it still can be like if we stay young at heart. So with that inspiration, one of my favorite songs from the first Mary Poppins film, Feed the Birds. An invitation to look for the poor, to be attentive to the poor, to recognize we're all interconnected, and sometimes the birds are birds, sometimes the birds are us, sometimes the birds are anyone in need. So, here we go. I'll use my phone piano. That's my starting note. It's an E. Ready? Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and they'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral the saints and apostles look down as she sails her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Well, part of the ideas in that lovely song is that it doesn't take very much to connect with another person or with nature. It's just a simple thing. Tuppence or less than a penny. And it's not so much the amount, it's just the spirit of giving. Thank you so much for joining me this evening, or whenever you're watching this video. Look forward to being with you next time on Young at Heart. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless. Bye, everyone.